What's up in Tamil? Are you guys ready? Let's go. Vanakkam, Vanakkam, Vanakkam. Welcome back to the Tamil channel. Today we're going to look at a simple phrase, what's up? How do you say what's up in Tamil? Not exactly what's up, but what's happening. So in Tamil, you can use the phrase enna nadakkudu. Enna nadakkudu. Enna nadakkudu. So enna nadakkudu is like what's happening. Another way you can ask this same question basically is like enna pudinam. Now enna pudinam is like what's new. Enna pudinam. Enna pudinam. Enna nadakkudu or enna pudinam. Now, if there is gossip you want to share with your friends or family, then you can just go straight in and just say what it is about. But otherwise, if there is nothing much going on and there is not much to update on, then you could say either perisa ondumilla, like not much. Perisa ondumilla. Perisa ondumilla. Perisa ondumilla. Or you could use the word pudinam and you can say pudinam ondumilla. Pudinam ondumilla. Pudinam ondumilla. So you can ask people, enna nadakkudu? Enna pudinam, and in response to that you can reply with perisa ondumilla or pudinam ondumilla, or actually update them with what's happening in your life. I hope this video has been useful. If it has, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'll see you guys next time. Nandri Vanakkam.